Let me show you how to make an SSP or a slip-slip purl. You're going to keep your yarn in front as you do for purl stitches. Then you're going to take your right hand needle. You're going to slip the first stitch as if to knit. So you're just going to slip that to your right hand needle. You're going to slip the next stitch to your right hand needle as if to knit. You've now twisted both stitches. You're going to put them both back on your left hand needle. You're then going to purl these two stitches that you've twisted through the back loops. And that means you're going to take your right hand needle and you're going to put it up from back up through the middle of those two stitches. You're going to wrap the yarn behind, pull the new loop out the way it came, back through the bottom of those two stitches. So you've got one stitch on your needle and you've got these two loops, and you're going to release the loops. And you've now done a slip-slip purl. Let me show you how to do that one more time. So you're keeping your yarn out in front. You're slipping a stitch knitwise. You're slipping a stitch knitwise. You're slipping a second stitch knitwise. You're putting both of those stitches back on the left hand needle. You're taking your right hand needle and going up from the back bottom up through the top. You're going to purl those two stitches together through the back loops. You're wrapping the yarn behind and you're pulling that right needle back out the way it came with the new loop on it, and you're releasing the two loops. And you've decreased one stitch. You've gone from 2 to 1, and you've done it as a slip-slip purl or SSP.